All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. That's where the money's at. I do these chart analysis out of gratitude for the viewers and investors looking up this information on individual stocks. But in the second half, I have a ticker symbol that you want to add to your watch list if you don't have it already. We have had it as an opportunity here on the YouTube before, on the Patreon, over at the Discord that we've talked about it, and it's given 10 to 30% opportunities. And we're going to discuss the ticker symbols, the penny stocks we mentioned this morning over at the Discord as well, that gave us 30% plus each on the opportunity as they ran. So if you want to become part of that, you're more than welcome to get the live updates on when I talk about it, and you can learn more about stocks and charts. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and as you gain access, you will gain access to all the opportunities that await you. We look forward to having you become part of the community. So here we are with SENS, Sensonics Holdings Inc. So SENS has actually had a run, and it's actually slightly above the 50-day moving average. So the 50-day moving average here is 195, okay? Anything below it is bearish, anything above it is bullish. Now, we have a few things to look at here, and the stock is fighting for its life to stay above $2. Now, it missed it. It got rejected again. So as you see, $2 is very hard to stay above, and $2 is a point of rejection multiple times. We've seen it since way back here, right? It's gotten rejected, and as I zoom out, you could see it right there. All the way back here, all the way here, and then right here 3 times. So we got like 5-6 times in the last several days and weeks, and the whole entire month actually of May, of this stock getting rejected at $2. So that is why I emphasize how important $2 is. So the 50-day moving average is 195. Anything above it is bullish, anything below it is bearish. Our first support in bearish territory is 193. If that gets crossed, the next point I would watch is down here at 189 to see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, our resistance level is key, and that is $2, guys. We have that point there. That is super significant. We have this one right here at 199, but $2. That's what the bulls need to break through to continue this momentum, pull further away from the 50-day moving average, and reach newer highs and new resistance levels. Now, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. And let's go ahead and jump into the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning that gave us 30% plus each, as well as the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list, giving great swing trade opportunities and long-term outlook opportunities based off of due diligence and research that I've done. Do your due diligence, do your research, so you can find out more about it. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I want to share with you guys today is one that we've talked about before here on the channel. We've hit home runs with it, anywhere from 10 to 20%, 20 to 30% swing trades and opportunities. And right now, it's picking up steam again, and it's a great time to see if it's going to consolidate, continue its run, or pull back into some weakness of a healthy weakness, right? Healthy when it comes right back, getting close to its lows, and then bouncing back. We're going to look at the chart overall so you can understand just a little bit better what's going on. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities we mentioned today over at the Discord. We hit 2 home runs of 20% plus. And if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us. And by joining, you will gain access to all the opportunities that await you. So let's look here. So we talked about DYAI. This gave about a 5 to 8% opportunity after dipping towards the bell and running slightly. We talked about PTIX, which we're going to discuss in just a moment. PIRS actually gave very small windows of 5 to 10% after a big pullback. I was a little bit concerned because it had already ran the day before, but I was watching it with caution, and it looked like an opportunity to catch in weakness, and then obviously the bulls reappearing like it did, but it continued downwards. And then we have PLAG, very low in volume, sitting at 160 at the time, and only had 100,000 in volume. We're going to look how it ended up today. It needed to reach the millions in my opinion, and we will see, because we had PTIX flying. Just 3 minutes after the bell, 10%. But you guys are going to see this chart for yourselves. We started talking about PTIX at 299. So let's go ahead and look at it and see how it reacted. So at 299, we caught it down around this area here, and it was actually picking up steam already, right? We caught it up here, started to pull back a little bit, hit lows here of 297 and started to pick up steam, giving a 10% opportunity right off the bat right there. The first 3 minutes, pulled back a little bit and took off to a high of 399, giving 30% plus on the day, guys. This was a home run. Spectacular opportunity out of that one. Now, the other one that we mentioned was PLAG. It was sitting at 160 when we caught it, and you could see here how we needed more volume, right? We needed more volume, and it actually ended up in the 3 millions. It was only at 100,000 when we were watching it. The average volume was 500,000. That's why we needed more volume. So we caught it at 160, literally at the lowest point on this dip towards the bell here, and it took off right away, giving about a 5 to 10% opportunity of 177, pulled back, ran again, giving another 5 to 10% opportunity. But if it was something that someone held and had the patience to run through the volatility, this hit a high here of 216, giving a 20 to 30% opportunity. Two great home runs here with these, and it was a phenomenal way to start the Wednesday, no matter what volatility the stock market was throwing at us, because the S&P 500 was all over the place today, but we continued to find opportunities. If that's something you want to become part of, the link is down below in the description. So what's the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list? Well, it is CHPT, ChargePoint. Okay, ChargePoint Holdings. Now, as I'm speaking, it's pulling back pretty hard. This is a great time to start watching it to see if there's going to be any further weakness or anything going on in the charts. But I went ahead and circled something interesting. This is all the times that I've mentioned it over at the Patreon, here on YouTube, and every single time we've caught it, watching it into weakness. Now, it has hit highs here of 31 after hitting these lows of 19, 19 again, hit 32, 33 almost at that point, fell back down, and then it hit another 27 high, pulled down, and now we're going towards 25. So this stock has given multiple times 10 to 20%, 20 to 30% after getting close to the $19 mark. And it seems to be right now a strong support. I'm not saying it's a floor. I'm not saying the stock can't break through that sometime in the near future. But right now, this has been a great opportunity for those that are long to continue to add to their positions about 5 times already. Because one time it went from 19 all the way up to 22 in just one day. And the 2 days later, it went right back down close to $19. So 5 opportunities for those that are long-term investors to load up after they've done their due diligence and research. Now, for those that have been swing trading, it has given multiple 10 to 20% opportunities and twice 30%. So right now the stock is running again. This is a great time to start doing research on it, trying to see if you can catch it into the momentum, if there's a consolidation, or if there's going to be another healthy pullback. It does not mean that $19 is the floor. That could possibly be broken through at some point. But right now, it seems to be a pretty strong point of support, and it is something to be aware of. Do your due diligence, do your research. I'm not here as a financial advisor to tell you to buy, sell, or hold any positions on any of the stocks we mentioned. If not, I am here to enlighten everyone on opportunities that you may be overlooking or that you may not be aware of. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.